Our adventure kicks off at the Royal Phuket Marina. Here we're meeting the crew and getting all geared up. Quick tip, make sure to settle any outstanding payments to avoid last-minute hassles. Next, we're off to Maya Bay, famous for its role in The Beach movie. Check out these spectacular views. It's like stepping right into a postcard. Remember, it's all about soaking in the scenery and snapping those picture-perfect shots. Ready for a splash? We're diving into the crystal-clear waters of Pileh Lagoon. Surrounded by towering cliffs, it's an exhilarating experience you can't miss. Let's unravel some mysteries at Viking Cave. Why is this place so significant? You'll find out with some cool stories from our guide. It's not just about the views, but the tales behind them. Now we're chilling at Bamboo Island. It's all about serene vibes here. Take a dip, snorkel around, and maybe even make friends with some fish. It's nature's own aquarium. And for our final stop, Monkey Beach. These little guys are not just cute, but super agile. Watch them in their natural habitat, but remember to keep a safe distance. What a day, right? From breathtaking bays to curious monkeys, it's been an adventure to remember. If you love this tour and want more details, check out PhiPhiIsland.Yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel escapades. Until next time, keep exploring. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.